So in this tutorial, we will learn about number value. So what is number value and how to use this number value? We will learn each and everything one by one with real life example. So type here equal to number value and click on insert function. We got the function dialog box. Now here it tells number function converts text into a number. That means a text that represents a number will be changed into a pure number in a local independent manner. And in number value function, we have three arguments: text, decimal separator and group separator. As you can see, this is in a bold, so this is a compulsory argument and these two are optional argument. So in the text, we have to put a value that is a string representing a number, and decimal separator is the character used as a decimal separator in the string, and group separator is the character used as the group separator in the string. So click cancel. We will understand it in a better manner. Equal to number value, then select this, bracket close and enter. We can see it is giving an error value because it is a number, but we have here a decimal then a comma. So we cannot use this in a simple manner. Here we have to put the text, then comma, decimal separator. So which one is the decimal separator? You can see here comma is used as decimal separator and dot is used as group separator. So here we have to put comma, then group separator is dot. Now enter. You can see we got 1599. Now here also the same way, equal to number value, text is this one, then comma, decimal separator is here comma. So put comma, then bracket close, because we do not have here group separator. Press enter. We got 199.99. In the same way, if you drag this one, we got this value 3099. Now you can see this text here. Oblique is used as group separator, or you may think this oblique is used as a decimal place. In the both case, we will see how it works. So here type equal to number value, select this. So if I think this is a decimal, then put here oblique, then comma, our group separator will be comma, bracket close and enter. You can see we got this value. Now if we think this is a group separator, then here we will put comma as the decimal, we'll put full stop as the decimal separator and oblique as the group separator. Now press enter. You can see the group separator is removed. It became a single number. Now here again in the same way, if I drag this, we got error value because here the characters are different. Suppose this is a decimal character and this is a group separator. So here in the decimal separator we have to put question mark, and in the group separator we have to put semicolon. Now press enter. We got the value. The same way, if we drag all this, you can see 10% became 0.1, 10%, that means 10 is divided by 100 two times, so it got a value this one. And here if you think this is a group separator, then we have to put here decimal equal to dot and separator as oblique, and here the number is converted into the date value and it is a pure text. That's why we got a error value. We cannot change into a number. Now we will understand the second example. We want to add this number here. So this is a text, we cannot add this number. First we have to convert this text into a number. So here equal to left, so text is this one, comma, number of characters. In every case we have 4 numbers. So type here 4, bracket close, enter. So we got here the numbers. Now these numbers are in text format. As you can see, these numbers are left aligned. And now here we'll use number value, then bracket close and enter. You can see we do not use decimal separator or group separator because in this text we have no decimal separator or group separator. Now drag this, so all the numbers are converted into a number. Now alt equal to enter. So we got 12,591. Now how to convert these and add them in a single formula? So first equal to sum. Now we'll use left function to get the number value. So text is this one, comma 4 character, bracket close. But if we enter, we cannot add this number because here these numbers are in a text format. So here we have to change this text format. So type here number value, then bracket close here, then press enter. Then also we got error value. Control shift enter, we got the number. As we have here the array of range, we cannot simply enter this. If we simply enter this, we will get an error value. But if we press Control Shift and enter, we will get the totals. Now here we can add and within quotation space km quotation close, Control Shift enter, 12,591 kilometers. In this way you can use number value to convert a number or simply add the numbers which are stored as text. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well, but still if you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you do not miss any notifications and updates from our channel when we upload new Excel videos. So thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.